Hey guys, Rapi recently launched this crazy feature. It's called the Progress Bar. And without further talks, I want to straight up show you how it looks like on this demo store, on this demo product page. And later on, I'm going to show you how you can set it up yourself for your own products, for your own store. So as you can see, this is a Rapi bundle, very classic, looks super aesthetic. And it's basically a supplement product. Let's say I'm the customer and I want to buy that supplement. If I only buy one item, which is bad, if you're the seller, you obviously want the customer to buy as much as possible and spend as much as possible. I get no free gifts, no benefits. If I buy two, I unlock these two free gifts. If I buy three, I unlock all free gifts. And this is obviously the best value when it comes to being the customer. And I would go for this and add it to the cart. So that's the progress bar right here, interactive, depending on what I buy and how much I buy, my average order value. And now I want to show you how you can set it up on your own store. All right, guys, so what you want to do is you want to go inside of your product page and your bundle. You want to make sure your bundle is already built and completed. In my case, I have a simple buy one, buy two, get one free offer, and buy three, get two free offer. So basically buy one, buy two, buy three, and free gifts. Super simple and classic offer. Maybe you have something different. You only have buy one and buy two, whatever. Once your bundle is completed and you're super satisfied with how it looks like and how it works, you can decide to enable the progress bar. For that, you want to go to offers, right? In offers, you want to go to boosters and you're going to see the progress bar. You want to simply enable that one. And if we have a look, you can see it popping up right here. This is the progress bar. Now, you can choose between different templates. There's this one, the classic one, where it's basically a strike through and you unlock free gifts like this, like that layout basically. Or what I like more personally is like a box where it says locked and you simply unlock them. Now, here's the thing that we want to obviously enable. You want to make sure that you actually put products here. Like you want to first of all decide what customers actually get. Do they get free shipping? Do they get a free item, free gift from your store, the same one or a different one from your store? This is something that you have to decide, and this is something we're going to set up now. One thing I do want to say is that you can let the customer choose their own gift. If you enable that one, you can simply just include specific products on your product, on your store or on your collection, specific collections, and the customer can simply pick that one. If they unlock it, they can simply pick their own gift. In this case, I'm just going to add specific products myself. Now, the most important part about this is actually goal 1, goal 2, goal 3. This is basically goal 1, goal 2, goal 3. So this is the most important part about the progress bar. Goal 1, goal 2, goal 3. This is essentially goal 1, goal 2, goal 3. If you want to, you can only have goal 1 and goal 2. You're just simply going to delete goal 3. Then you're going to have only 1 and 2 goals that basically customers can unlock as free gifts. You can even have only one goal, however you want. In our case, it makes sense because we have 3 buying options that we also have 3 goals. So with each buying option, they unlock another goal. If they buy 3, they unlock all 3 goals. If they only buy 1, they unlock only 1 goal. Me personally, I think that makes most sense, but you can set it up however you want. Now, this is the important part. You want to have a spending goal. So as you have seen in our example, if a customer buys 1, he shouldn't unlock any gifts. Or if you want to, let's say he only unlocks free shipping if he buys 1. So free shipping should be unlocked. The price is around $30. So we're going to make sure that we unlock the first goal at $25. This is well below $30. So if we actually select buy 1, it will be unlocked. Goal number 2 should not be included in the buy 1 option. It should be part of the buy 2 option. So the buy 2 option is around, let's say $40 in total. So we want to make sure we have the spending goal at 35. You can already see if we buy 1, we only get the free shipping. If we buy 2, we get the free shipping and the free gift. And the goal number 3 should only apply for buy 3, which is around $60. So we want to make sure we have the spending goal at 55. Buy 2 doesn't unlock it, only buy 3. That's the spending goal and how it works and how it's synchronized with the bundle. Make sure that's working smoothly. You don't want to mess it up and have customers who buy 1 unlock all the gifts. And now you're going to add your products. So for goal 2, we want to add, let's say, another supplement. And for the buy 3 option, we're going to go for, let's say, another supplement. So we have 2 free supplements and the free shipping. So this is basically how it works, how it's synchronized to each buying option. you can again play around. If you only want to have if you only want to have 2 goals, you can do that and set it up accordingly. We're gonna just go for 3 goals. Everything else is just a copy. You can play around with the copy of the products, the product names. You can play around with the image size, with the overall design of the progress bar. You can do a lot more things here, but this is just cosmetics. This is the most important part, the goals and how it's synchronized with the bundle options. And that's exactly how you can set up your progress bar. And trust me, if you do this, your average order value will explode because people actually tend to buy more to unlock these free gifts.